Hi guys, welcome back. Just a quick message here for YouTube as actually I was just working through with a client. It was about a week and a half ago and he bridged the question as, hang on a second, how do I get paid from this trust? And it's pretty simple, okay? So we work with the licensed trustees. We help clients around the world in all locations with helping them relocate for a personal tax residency, helping them global structuring, whether it's setting up a trust, company formations internationally, helping them do X, helping them do Y, maybe it's a second passport. We work very closely with the clients, get them from A to Z, and obviously work with them year by year as well. Now, the point of this pretty brief, short video is how do you get paid from a trust? People just think that you simply are there and you transfer the money from the trust's bank account to your personal account, or you just use a trust card. No, that is not the case, and a big misconception within trusts. So you would be requesting formally a distribution. Typically, that is how it would go. You would contact the lawyer, who then contacts the trustee, and essentially then you request for a distribution, and you give a reason why do you need this distribution, right? Now, within the letter of wishes and trust deeds as well, you can also have aspects where potentially get paid bi-weekly for your living costs or stuff like this. But don't forget, if you're still living in a unfriendly tax jurisdiction, you will still be taxed on this income right there. It's just overseas income, okay? And because it's been put in your personal account. So you have to be very careful. Usually, our clients typically end up living in UAE or Antigua, Bahamas, Cayman Islands. We have moved clients all over the world, and obviously we help them design their structure, implement it, and essentially do it all for them, and tell them what not to do, and open up some doors to the products around the world. We end up chatting for 2-3 weeks about maybe a DIFT foundation when it could be a good case, or simply just use a Russell K-Mart company to own those properties in Dubai. That was a case recently. Actually, the same client who was asking, hang on a second, how do I get paid from this trust? So hopefully that answers the question. Very brief, very simple. That is how you get paid from the trust. You request a distribution form, and the trustee will accept or reject that particular offer. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.